Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Stanley FatMax Flip Bin Organizer. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. The Stanley FatMax Portable Flip Bin Organizer is ideal for keeping your small parts and accessories close to hand. The organizer features 12 removable flip bin configurations for all your storage needs. Made from transparent heavy-duty impact-resistant polycarbonate, the see-through lids provide easy location of desired items. The lock-in lids keep everything secure yet easily accessible, so no matter what the task you'll have, everything you'll need is at your fingertips. The features and benefits include the following. It has 12 separate storage compartments for easy organisation. It has a compact design for easy transportation. High versatile use, perfect organisation for all essential small fixings and parts. It has strong levered storage for fast access. Side latches to allow multiple organisers to be effortlessly attached together to expand tool variety. It has a textured plastic handle for comfortable grip and transparent polypropylene lids for quick view and easy identification. Stanley is a leading global manufacturer of hand tools, power tools and related accessories, and a flagship brand of the wider Stanley Black & Decker Corporation. Ever since its foundation in 1843, Stanley has been committed to providing professionals across the globe with products with a smart, tough, pioneering and up to the task. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.